Omwebembezi w'ihanga omurundo gundo kwatira ekibine kya NRM ebendera General Kaguta Museveni ariyo mbicweke bya Karamoja okongera kushorera obuhagizi omu bicweke ebi kandi ekiro ky'eriizooba yasiba mu district ya Amudat bo abebembezi ab'ekibine kya NRM kuruga mu district egi ya Amudat bashoborera ngu aha murundo ogu nibija kweyongera obuhagizi aha mwebembezi w'ihanga ahabwe byabakorire.
We are going to vote you 100%, and we are requesting that if we give you 100%, we want you to come and celebrate with us here in Amudat. So, Your Excellency, I want to conclude by saying we are going to vote you 100%. NRM oye! Flag bearers oye! Museveni oye!
We said there is no way other than voting for you that we can thank you for the good leadership that you have guaranteed, that you have provided the people of this country.
Speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga nawe yashabira omwebembezi w'ihanga obuhagizi okuruga omukyanga ekya Karamoja.
We want to welcome you so much to Amudat.
Mwaile nyi payon Museveni ngoyo Janet itinyitakate ya Amudat.
Mama will not stop thanking you for the good work you did in Karamoja sub-region.
Magwutiene chanye yoke yokunyisara amba ishenya Karamnyoki nyomba Karamoja region.
Your Excellency, the best area to celebrate the gains is Karamoja.
We Janet Kataha Museveni yashaba abantu ba district ya Amudat okuhagira President Museveni ngo hakuba nwari kumanya enshonga hezuru kukwata abantu ba Karamoja.
Thank you for proudly voting NRM 100%.
Saranyoman na bolo kule kwa NRM akwala paikipuria chinyonga tu.
And we celebrate Amudat in particular and Karamoja in general for that vote. Therefore, I trust that even this time you will make sure that Amudat will vote 100% for the president and 100% for the whole lineup of leaders of NRM.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga ahantu yashabira abantu abatakarebere byo kutangaza okuja mu district ya Amudat okubasa kureba aha bintu bimwe ebe government ekorira abantu omu bicweke ebi.
The first one is what you have talked about, all of you, what they call in Akaramajong Ekivir.
Nyobatal kungala kalia.
How do you call it here?
Kalia. Kalia.
Karia.
Yes.
So number one is Karia.
Nyobatal kalia.
I heard the young chairman telling you how I was fighting with your people.
Kalama kwa chairperson tanyonyi penarem wer mninga weoyi wonaka mwaunda wala kipari itai payon go pitch.
When you are determined to commit suicide.
Atina kimiti na kimaka kuketa kei.
Ogu yashekerera abo bona ababenu baja gutara kwija kubasa okuretaho obusinge ombicweke bya Karamoja arukubiha ebyo kurwanisa nkemondo hamwe nebindi ekyari kugira ngo ekyo akakimara kare.
And some people are saying, no, Karamoja is different.
Kamwa biwala kala awo payon sis koron le Karamoja mbokoro swalak.
You can't remove guns in Karamoja unless you remove them from the Pokot of Kenya, unless you remove them from the Turkana, unless you remove the guns from the Topoth of Sudan, unless you remove them from the Rendir of Ethiopia, unless you remove them from the Somalis. I said I'm not here to disarm Africa. I am here to disarm my people.
Yashoborera ngo naija kwatagana n'ihanga rya Kenya okurebera mu president wayo William Ruto okurebeka ngo ihanga rya Kenya ryashashura abamaka gaferirwe abantu babo.
They must compensate the lives of my people who were killed. I told President Ruto that if these criminals don't have money, the Kenya government must pay.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga ahantu yashabira Minisita wa Karamoja okuchondoza ahanshonga eziremesa district za Karamoja ezimwe ezitine mizi kandi government yatireho muringo gw'abantu bine kutungamu amizi.
But I could see that the borehole water is still very low in Amudat.
Amba walne somandoni dengala Amudat kirate palalia nambotina kasawani ndele tikangari chumoy chomi ko Amudat.
It is only 18%.
Kumwala mba pakalakonga kumwala tamango mud nga konga mba pakalakonga kupor la mito la singala pa chumoy mba Amudat.
The Minister of Karamoja must find out what is the problem.
Obwahati Amudat einabatezi bakaruru barakwingana emitware 5 kanana 23 abehandikise kandi abandi batezi bakaruru barakwingana omutwaro gumwe 1556 beyongireho obwahati omukaruru kw'2021 President Yoweri Museveni omu district ya Amudat wabira kwatire kibina cha NRM bendera akatunga obuhagizi na percent y'obuchweka 97.6 arigana omwebembezi w'ihanga izobe lyanye nchakare na ishakuzo mu district ya Nakapiripirit hamwe na Beratok kuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano.